So now that we've got the hang of working out how to sing an interval, here's another way to quickly and easily pitch specific intervals. Firstly, every song is made up of many different intervals that make up the melody of the song. In this section, I'm going to show you a number of different specially selected songs that begin with different intervals, so that if you're wanting to pitch an interval, you can sing the first couple of notes in these special songs to find the interval or pitch you're looking for. So let's start with the interval of a second. A very popular song that begins with the interval of a second is Happy Birthday. As you can see on the monitor, it's the first two notes in Happy Birthday that are an interval of a second apart. I've highlighted them to make it easier for you to see where that interval falls. So let's sing those first few notes together now. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Did you hear the interval there? Okay, a well-known song that begins with an interval of a third is When the Saints Go Marching In. The first two notes of this song are an interval of a third apart. Oh when, la la, la la, oh when. Let's try that one together first on la and to reach the interval, and then we'll just use the words. Ready? La la, la la, oh when, oh when. All right. What about an interval of a fourth? The song Amazing Grace uses a fourth in its opening phrase. Amaze, amaze, amazing grace. Try that with me on la and then on the words. La, 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 la. Amaze, amaze. So now we're up to the fifth. A very popular nursery rhyme, Twinkle Twinkle, also uses the interval of a fifth in its opening phrase. Twinkle, 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 la la, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Let's do that again using our la and trick, and then we'll sing it with the words. La, 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 twinkle, 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 twinkle. Okay, next is the interval of a sixth. Again, another famous folk song, My Bonnie Lies Over the Ocean, begins with the interval of a sixth. My bon, my bon, my bon. Okay, let's first pitch that interval using la and then we'll sing it using the words. La, 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 la. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. Okay, the second last interval in a major scale is the major seventh. Now this one's a little more tricky, but it can be heard in the song Pure Imagination from the original Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Listen closely for that when I sing. Our world, our world, our world, our world of pure imagination. Okay, now as I said, this one's a little trickier to hear and to sing, so just take it easy and give yourself some time to practice this one. Nonetheless, let's give it a go now. We're going to sing slowly on our la, and then we're going to hum all the way up to the seventh a couple of times, and then we're just going to sing the words. Our world, our world. Feel free to count on your hands, okay? Ready? La, la, Lum, la, lum, la. Our world, our world, our world of pure imagination. Okay, the last interval we're going to learn today is the eighth, or as it's commonly called, the octave. This interval can be heard in the chorus of Somewhere Over the Rainbow from The Wizard of Oz, and it sounds like this: somewhere, somewhere. So let's continue with the strategy we've been using and la and hum our way through to an interval of an octave, and then we'll sing the words. Ready? And la, 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 somewhere, somewhere over the rainbow. Great work. I'll see you back here in a minute for an exercise you can practice to help you pitch all of those intervals.